This is an interesting topic. Like, you want to make drill through from one page to another page, but it has to be partial. Looks confusing, right? Don't worry about that. We'll cover all these details in this video. Stay tuned for that. I'm Mohammad Adnan and welcome to my channel. And in this channel, we discuss a lot about the Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, and SQL, Excel, YouTube, and a lot more to come. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. All right. So this is my sales analysis table. I have made a complete demo of how we can create a sales analysis dashboard end to end. If you haven't seen that, just click on the link given on top of your screen. So basically, this is a sales report, and I have the sales by region, by sales territory, by gender, by age. Everything is there now, and also we have the slicer filters applied on the top. So as a regular process, what I will do, I will just select any of the territory group here. For example, the Pacific. If I select here, the data is going to filter here. That's usual, right? So now what I do is I want to select this 71 to 80 age group members are there, right? So the 71 to 80 and they have purchase of 80,000 here during the period of 2012 under Pacific. So what I will do, I will just right click here 70 to 80 and then drill through to their product visual page. So now it will go to the product visual page and we have seen the value of 80,000 something, right? So it filters 80,000 something value. So that's fine, that's normal, that's the default behavior of drill through. But now the requirement is, if I go back here to the sales, what they are asking is, even though I have made a filter of the territory as Pacific and calendar year as 2012, but the requirement is they don't want to make any filtration on this particular territory group. It means they want all the territory group except the calendar year. So for that, there is a way actually. Let's go back to this product visual page, that is the drill through page. And if you can see on the right side in the visualization pane, let me zoom this one. So here we have the commute distance, age, this is what we have selected. And if I go down here, the calendar is selected to 2012 and the sales territory group is filtered to Pacific. The reason behind that is keep all filters. So if I turn off this one, and one more thing I had to do, basically I need to erase all these filters. So clicking on this one, clicking on this one, and clicking on the age. So if I zoom out this one, now it shows everything, the value without any filtration. So going back to the sales now, I know I'm going a little bit slow in order to understand for the other users clearly. If you want to make it a little bit faster, then you can watch it at 1.25 or 1.5 speed. If I go here and right click this now 80,000 value for age 71 to 80 and go to this product visual drill through, as you see, you may not able to see any kind of values here. I mean matching to that first one. The reason behind that is, let's have a look at this one, visualization pane. And keep all filter is off and the customer age is this filtered and there is no other filters applied because we have turned off this one, so it will apply only those filters from where the user is being selected. So by doing that, we just achieved one step, but still a one way to go. That is the requirement of to apply the calendar filter, but we should not have to apply the sales territory filter. In order to do that, we have one more way, that is select the slicer of calendar year and click on sync slicers under view sync slicers. It will open up a pane on the right side and here you just need to click on the sync. There is two options here and you need to click on this one. I made a video about the sync slices. If you haven't seen that, just click on the link given on top of your screen. So now coming back here, you just need to click on this one so that the value whatever the user is selected here is being transferred to that. So on selecting to this one sales territory, it is turned off here So it means the value I'm going to select here do not have an impact on the product visual. So closing this, now we have 80,000 value here. If I right click on this one again and go to drill through and the product visual. See in the Pacific now on the top table we have 80,000 value as which was there in the ELR sheet. The benefit of this one is we can analyze the same group of peoples on the same year with the different regions, within a different territory and different models and different colors, whatever it is. This actually is a good requirement, right? So this is how you can able to achieve all these things. One is by turning off the key ball filters from the visualization pane, and another is the sync slicer. You want to sync those values or not. I hope this video found you helpful. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. And if you're not a member of our channel, just hit the join button to know in detail about it. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.